How to see messages on Snapchat without being friends. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to see messages on Snapchat without being friends. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Snapchat app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Now once inside the app, simply tap on the contacts or add friends option in the upper right corner. Now here is the key thing. You can't see and send messages on Snapchat without being friends. But there is a trick to it. Let me show you how. So choose a random person from the list or search for a username. Now tap on the profile icon and tap on the three dots in the upper right corner. Now from the pop-up menu, simply select Send Profile to and choose Chat. And now in the chat, simply type the message and send it. And once the message is sent, you can access the chat and see their message if they respond. And this method allows you to chat with someone without officially being friends on Snapchat. However, keep in mind that they may have privacy settings that prevent them from receiving messages from non-friends. And that's it. That's how you can see and send messages on Snapchat without being friends. And with this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.